Namaste, I am Anamika Srivastava and I have done MPhil from University of Delhi, and I have been in this academic field from past 20 years and currently working as principal of VS International College. As you know, VS Education Foundation is a premier education and has been imparting quality education from past 40 years, and VS International College is one of the youngest member of VS Education Foundation. Here, as you know, VS Education Foundation has been successfully conducting programs from nursery level to bachelor's level, but here in VS International College, we are running programs affiliated from TU, and we have academic programs like BBS, BCA, BSW and BBM. So here we are offering programs from both management and humanities faculties. We have the best academic faculty, and we really are focusing on individuals, our students' overall development, because we want them to be successful and we want them to be equipped with all the skills that is necessary to cope up with this present modern world. So here we focus more on practical learning and how to make our students more analytical, how to make our students more practical in their approach. So students, if you have any queries about our programs that I have just mentioned, please visit our college, try to find out more about it. We are always there for you and we are looking forward to your presence in our college. Last but not the least, thank you this virtual edu fair. यो pandemic को टाइममा हामीलाई स्टुडेन्ट सम्म पुर्याइदिनको लागि, हामीलाई आफ्नो एउटा प्रोजेक्टको पार्ट बनाइदिनको लागि हामी धेरै कृतज्ञ छौं. Because of this platform, we were able to connect with the students, because physically it was very difficult for us to approach students physically, directly. So giving us this opportunity to talk to students through online, through this virtual medium, it's very innovative, and at the same time it made our job easier as well. So thank you so much EduFair for making us a part. And if you want to know more about this college, please visit our site www.virtualedufairnepal.com. Feel free to visit VS International College, which is located at Suvidhanagar, 3 Kune.